guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for stopping by. Kindly click the subscribe button for more great and amazing DIYs, fashion, beauty, hair and lifestyle content. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you for still sticking with me. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to downsize the waist of your pants and make it really fitted. So like this one I'm wearing, right, the waist is like really big. You can see the waist is really big. The hip area is perfect, the length is also perfect, but the waist is way too big and I need to do something about it. So guys, yeah, I'm going to be using an elastic band to shrink this part of the waist, you get me? So it's going to be really fitted afterwards when I finish. So guys, if you want to see how I go about this, definitely keep on watching. In today's DIY project, I'm going to be using a pair of scissors, a safety pin, a thread, and an elastic band. So guys, here is the pants I want to use for this DIY project. I already know where I want the elastic to start and where I want it to end, from this point to the other end. The pant has an opening on the waist area where I can pass my elastic through from point A to point B, so I don't have to use my seam ripper to create a notch on the inner part of the waistband. So guys, let's get right into it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video and find this video very useful. Please let me know down in the comment section below what you think of this video, and if you also try out the hack, also let me know down in the comment section below how it came out. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Kindly click the subscribe button for more great and amazing DIYs, fashion, beauty, hair and lifestyle content. And thank you so much to my returning subscribers. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you.